Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a couple of items here to show you today from OneDay Savings. Thank you OneDay Savings for letting me pick out a couple of things to show everybody. So let's get to it. Excuse me, I've already looked at this one a little bit and I was like, okay, let's look at that one first. Okay, so I was like, how does this whole thing work? Let's see. It was a very unique item I found on the website. And you know me, if there's something unique, I'm gonna check it out. So we have regular drills here. Okay, lots of pretty colors. We have an instruction sheet and we have our little toolkit. Now, I will say that these were stuck all over my instruction sheet. These are little stickers. And I had to like pull them off the paper. Not all of them stuck, but some of them did. So we'll figure out what those are for in a minute. So here's our instruction sheet called Installation Instructions. This is what your kit includes. It's a little light, the printing, the ink was running out or something. Fold the two sides with the glue in half, repeat on the other side. Fold the side frame in half, inwards, repeat on the other side. Fold the butterfly-shaped frame in half. Paste the side frame and the butterfly-shaped frame as shown in the figure. Complete the installation of the 4 storage boxes in turn. Fold the butterfly wings in half. Fold in half as shown in the picture to make a 3-dimensional effect. Attach the double-sided round sticker to the back of the butterfly. Complete your installation. Here is your scene display. So basically, I think what we get is we get these little boxes, and they're plastic. I thought at first they might be cardboard, but you make these little boxes, and I have butterflies. And then there's a whole bunch of butterflies that you can fold and make them look 3-dimensional, and then just stick them someplace, I believe, with your little sticky dots. I think that's how this works. Okay, so let's get into this part. Where's the opening? Here it is. Okay, so there's a bunch of stuff in here. Of course, I would recommend putting all of your drills on all this stuff before you do any of that folding, bending, sticking together kind of business, right? That's what I would suggest. Oh, we got plastic. Okay, so we have just a plethora of little butterflies here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I believe they're all different. They looked like they were all different, weren't they? No, maybe this one's the same. That one's the same. Hang on. Oh, come on. Now I can't get them off the counter. That one's the same. Okay, not very many are the same, though. Just those 2, it looks like. All right, so I think these are just additional little butterflies. They all get drills, okay? You pull your little plastic back here from the... Sure you do. Pull the plastic back. Oh, yeah. It's on there, folks. Okay, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Pull the plastic back, put your drills on. And then you can see I've played with this already. You fold it here on the sides of the body so that it, is more 3-dimensional. And then you put your sticky on the back and then stick it where you want to stick it, okay? Here's the boxes. I'm not surprised there were 4 here. They're very thin, but they're just little plastic boxes, okay? There's plastic on here. I don't know why necessarily. Okay, because the whole thing just covers this and the butterflies. So when you're done, you just fold this up, right? Got these little tabs here you'll fold those in, fold this up, and it will make a box. Okay, let's see if I can do this a little bit for you. At least one of them. Okay, let's see. You fold here. Right? And you'll fold here, and this makes your box. This makes the front like this, and this makes the back. Well, okay, let me keep folding. Hang on, let me fold one more. Let me fold this one too. And then we'll show you. Okay, so that makes the sides like that. And this will come in, this will come up, this will come up, and you have a box. So it stays open on the top to make a box. All right. And all of those little sticky tabs are what you're going to use to hold this all together. I thought it was a cute idea. They would be great little gift boxes, you know, Easter time, you could fill them with candy or whatnot. So we have this one that's pretty much orange and red. We have another one, which is blue, orange, and yellow. And they've got decorative print on the sides of the box. So this one looks red, white, and blue. Probably, yeah, a little red, white, and bluish. Maybe black. And then there's this one. So this is really cute. I mean, and there were different designs besides butterflies. I just got the butterfly ones because, you know, I love butterflies. So they're cute, right? And I think they're just going to make this cute little box. And you just stick everything with those sticky tabs, fold it in like this, you know, general idea there. And you got your little box. So yeah, diamond paint everything first because, you know, you're not going to want to try diamond painting on these when they're folded into a box shape. So there's that. And then the drills. And I'm not going to go through all of the drills, I don't think, because, I mean, they're regular drills. Pink, red, orange, yellow, purple, blue, red, yellow, pink, white, blue, yellows, blue. All the colors that we're going to need for all those butterflies. I think it's a cool idea, right? I thought it was pretty nifty. Okay, put all these little bags back over here so I can put everything back away when I'm done. So cute. Like I said, there were different designs. I'll link it below, and hopefully that will help you find the other designs as well. I can't even remember what some of the other ones were at this point. But anyhow, what comes in a box? Fun things come in boxes. You know how I feel about the stuff that comes in boxes. There's our stand. It's our toolkit. Yeah, it's in there. Tools. All right, so we got a stand. This does have a film on it. Peel that off, that little piece of plastic on there. We got rhinestones, and here's our piece. I love this. It's so pretty. It's a butterfly kind of day. Definitely a butterfly kind of day here. How pretty is that? I loved this. Now, I believe there were a couple of different butterflies. Again, take the film off. There's a film on the back when you're done, but it's there to protect it right now because it will be very clear when you're done. When you pull all the film off. But look how pretty it is. Look at all the special drills on it. I think it's just gorgeous. Well, let's look at the drills and see what we get. So there's no legend or anything. You'll just go with what's on the bag. The bag will tell you where they go. It's like a little rainbow butterfly. It's a rainbow butterfly. Okay, so like number one. See, number one is green. And ones. It tells you where to put them. 2 is pink. 3 is a blue. 4 is another pink. 5 is another green. 6 is an orange. Oh, I love these. My little snowflakes, and they're silver snowflakes. They're so pretty. Then we have AB Marquee in the clear variety. We get some gold balls. And then these, I love these. These are so much fun. These little bumpy guys. And it's going to go here. No, D. Sorry. Here. Here, the little bumpy ones. And then the C's are the gold balls. Oh my gosh. So pretty. I want this in my house in the summertime. You know, I want it displayed in my house in the summertime. It will just make me feel all happy and joyful and jolly. And I used jolly earlier today too. I'm in a jolly mood. It goes in the little stand. It will go in better when you take off your film and all that stuff. But how cute. Like I said, it's a butterfly kind of day. We just got butterflies everywhere. And you know, if you wanted to, you could always turn these into cover minders if you wanted to. instead of putting a little sticky on the back, you could put a magnets on the back and turn it into a cover minder, right? You could give these as gifts. I mean, because I don't know, am I going to stick these all over my walls somewhere? Probably not. But you could get magnet. You could turn them into magnets. Get some little sticky magnet put on the back. You could do whatever you wanted with all the extra butterflies. And there's a ton of them, right? Yeah, maybe I'll be giving some away to people. Who knows? But like I said, it's a butterfly kind of day. Who doesn't love butterflies? All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And thank you to OneDay Savings for letting me pick them out. I thought this was a very unique item, and I keep hunting for those unique items every time I look. So, all right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit that like button, subscribe. If you're new here, I hope you come back and watch more videos. And everyone returning, hi again. Thank you so much. All right. I'll be seeing you real soon. Check out the next video at the end here and see if it's something that interests you. And all of these will be linked below. Okay. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.